be taking this video of just me going to Windsor, huh? Well, I didn't go there for no reason. Technically, I went there for a couple car parts, you know, just see a couple cars, things like that. But what I really went there to go see, which I was actually like just surprised because I've never even seen this in my entire life, like in person. I went to see basically, well, God's motor, but not just God's motor in a model I've never really seen before, honestly. I mean, some of you might have seen this, but I've never seen a build like this before, and honestly, it just took me by surprise completely. Not only that, but I've never been able to touch this motor in my, like, in person in my life, so I was really stoked to be able to, like, just see it and touch it. So yeah, I hope you guys are as hyped as I am about this. I know it's really short, but I just wanted to give you a little video on what's going on right now. But anyways, don't get me wrong though, if there's one thing that is still God's motor for sure, like we're talking about like God's motor, the 13B, especially now that I'm getting more invested and I'm searching more into it right now. Definitely the 20B. I don't know what it is about the 20B, but the 20B just got me going. Woo! But anyways, this is why you came. You came to see this build. So, well, here it is. The Altezza boys.
The badge is right over to the right. It says Altezza right on. Instead of IS300.
The Altezza boys. You do not see these often. And the best part? Right hand drive? What do you mean? But wait. God's motor! SR20. Can you believe that? What? What? It's unbelievable. Take a quick shot clear there. Like, look at this. This is clean. This is a beautiful project ready to be done. Look at that.
It blew up in the wintertime. The papers for it somewhere. Japanese radio in there.
Look at that. Still got the stock here.
Even the fucking these rain covers, these are like almost $700. Oh, this
Ladies and gentlemen, God's motor.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Fucking going black and white wall.
Nah.
It used to be an actual bank, and then we named it the bank. It actually was a bank.
Very nice.
And then there's a Boom Boom nightclub back there. That was two different nightclubs in one. Okay. Left when we turn, you're gonna get the Ambassador Bridge picture and shit. Like I can bring you around to all the spots. Usually the buildings have like all different crazy Christmas shit. You might not be able to see stuff, but they have like Christmas. What?
What? Wow.
Mickey Mouse and the deer up in the corner on the right.
Oh yeah, I see that.
This is insane.
That's cool.
Yeah, it goes all the way down. It goes. That girl's face. This studio we're gonna pass in a second. Shit right here.
He-Man, dude.
The skull hand and shit, that shit on there.
Yeah, you can just slow creep. Yeah, you can go a little bit more.
Oh shit, back up. Did you get the left side here?
Oh shit, run this one?
Yeah, this whole spot here is crazy. There's a skull.
Oh shit.
And fucking.
Yo, this is bumping. Thanks, Devin. It's bumping the vlog. Wow. That's crazy. Hey everybody, so that basically wraps up today's video. I knew it was kind of short, but I just wanted to show you basically what was going on in my life, you know. I definitely thought that build was pretty cool. So I'm hoping Buddy, you know, starts putting in the time and the work and gets that project out in time. That would definitely be sweet to see, for sure. I don't know if any of you are really into engine swaps or anything, but I definitely can appreciate a certain build if, you know, the time, effort, and work is put into it, and it comes out like pristine, right? Otherwise, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the content. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys later. Peace.